did you ever envisage the idea of not being on site as an engineer? As in, I'm sure that must have been a very different concept for a lot of engineering companies or engineers themselves.
Yeah, so I suppose since I've been involved in construction and worked on site, I I suppose like I knew that as you progress through engineering, you're going to spend less time on site, because it's the younger engineers who carry out most of the site works. Um, and then the thing about engineering is you can start on site, but there's just so many options. Like there's procurement, there's an array of options. You won't just go straight down one line and keep doing the same thing forever and ever. There's just so many places to deviate to. So many of them are at a desk, or they could be on the road, or they could be, the, like it's called civil engineering, I suppose, but no two civil engineers do the same thing. There's just so much choice out there. So if you want to have a certain setup in your life, after a few years, you can start steering yourself in that direction and picking the jobs that have that set up. So at the moment, yeah, I'm not on site, and maybe in the future again I will be on site, but it's kind of nearly my choice at this stage, depending on what jobs I go for.
Mm. I was actually, and that was one thing. Do you miss site?
Yes, 100%. Yeah.
Why do you miss it?
Um, I miss site. I find often when you're at the desk, I'm I suppose I like people and I like working with people. So on site, you meet people from all different walks of life, tradespeople, like senior engineers, real academics, and it's great just the variety you have on site, and you get to see the structure being built right in front of you. You don't have to, you know, be looking through drawings the whole time. So yeah, site, there's always something happening. There's always a problem that you need to make a decision to fix. And so there's always a challenge. You can't just say, hang on 10 minutes while I look at that. You have to get stuck in there and then. And I suppose I miss the excitement of it, and I miss the people on it as well.